Friends, have you ever looked at a groundnut plant? Can we call it a crop? No, we cannot. Do you know the fact that when same types of plants are grown at a large scale, then it is called a crop? If you wish to grow a pea plant in the hot season, you can't do it. Do you know the reason behind it? In India, crops are broadly classified into two categories on the basis of the season they are grown in. That is, Rabi crops and Karif crops. Rabi crops are usually grown in the winter season from October to March. Wheat, gram and peas are the examples of Rabi crop. Karif crops are usually sown in the rainy season, generally from June to September. Paddy, maize, groundnut, etc. are some common examples of Karif crop. To grow crops, various activities are performed which are known as agricultural practices. Let us know them one by one in detail.